This message is transmitted at the request of the LAPD, at approximately 2:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. There have been multiple reports of gruesome murders taking place in the downtown area of Los Angeles. Police are currently trying to find any possible suspects, but so far, there have been no successful attempts. If you live within the downtown area of Los Angeles, lock all doors and windows immediately. Do not attempt to go outside until the all-clear has been given, or you may face certain death. Police are currently investigating as we speak.